Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another video. And this is kind of a special unboxing video for me because somebody gifted this to me and I wasn't even expecting it. Man, do you know as hard times it is to get a gift of this magnitude? Man, it almost brought tears to my eyes. But I am happy for the gift. So today what we're gonna do, we're gonna unbox my gifted, I always love gifted CariPro. CariPro is an electronic toothbrush that helps keep your teeth clean. See? Helps keep your teeth clean. Somebody gifted it to me. Hopefully it'll come in. There you go, right there. Ah! There we go. Now I'm gonna read some of the specs to you before we get into the unboxing. It says it has 40K vibrations. This is an electronic toothbrush, by the way. It has dew point bristles. It has 5 brush modes. It's waterproof. Always a good thing to be waterproof. And it has a 30-day charge. 30 days. It removes up to 7 times more plaque than manual brushing. We will be testing that. Improve gum health in 2 weeks. We will be looking at that too because my gums do need to be healthier. Comfortable to hold, simple to use, and waterproof. It's the CariPro. If you would want to buy this, it will set you back around about $100, but this was gifted to me, so we're gonna do the unboxing right now. And here go my trusty knife. Since I'm away, I only have one knife as of right now. Let's get into the unboxing. I think the presentation is nice. Green and green and purple boxing. Get through this. Here we go. All right, let's open it and see what's in the box. Okay, comes with some books and stuff. Comes with some books and stuff. See if we can get it. Yep, books and stuff. CariPro instruction manual. I'll show you how to, okay, cool. Here we go, that's another book. All right, we have the charging stand, If you can, hopefully, I can cover my so you can see it. The charging stand, and it's pretty long. The cord is pretty long. The tie thing is trolling me. Here we go. I got it. There we go. See, it's pretty long cord. The stand goes right here. Pretty long cord. Alright. Nothing in the plastic. We have 2 bristles, 2 brushes to go on top. I'm gonna open one so you can see how it looks. This is how it looks. See if you can get it. I'm sorry, it won't come in, but hopefully you can see it from here. This is how the brush looks. And this is the CariPro. Put this to the side. This is how it looks. See if I can get it in a shot. There we go. See, that's how it looks. The back has has buttons on here. And what you do, you put the head on like this, and it snaps on. See if you can see it. Trying to get my face out of the frame. There we go. That's how it looks. So, right here, and this is how it looks when you charge it. So it's on the charger. So, I'll be right back with you. Let me see how much of a charge you got, and we'll turn it on. I'm not gonna brush my teeth. I'm not gonna brush my teeth. Be back. Go get your Nas, your coffee, your Monster drink. I'll be right back. This is what it looks like close up, fam. Sorry about the lights, but this is it's charging. As you can see, before we get back to the video, this is how the tip of the brush looks. If I can get it in shot. There you go, tip of the brush look. I'm gonna just keep it right here, turn it around for you. If I can get it. That's how the back look. This is how the whole thing look. It's charging a little, but I want you to see it in its full glory. There we go. So this is how it looks. Yo, what's up, everybody? I'm back, and this is it right here. Got a little charge. Let's see if I can turn it on. I don't know if you hear it. It's on, and then you can change the modes. You go from sensitive to clean to white to massage and gum care. So you have sensitive, clean, white, massage, gum care. So and it's pretty strong. I'm gonna put it on here so you can hear how it sounds on the desk. So it's pretty strong. Now, the one thing I'm not gonna like about it is it's like my hand is vibrating too, but you know, I guess you have to get used to that. But this has been my unboxing and initial first look of the CariPro. I give it, from everything I see, I give it an A. The presentation was good. It comes with 2 brushes, and it comes with the charger. It's just stick it up here and it just charges. So I would give it an A. I might do a little product review after I've used it for like 2 weeks to let you know, did my teeth get whiter? Ding. Did my smile get better? Ding. I don't know, maybe. But let me give it the old smell test for you. I think this smells like a fresh breath, a clean, fresh breath. This smells like somebody's gonna have some pearly whites. Look, this has been your boy, the Ghetographer. Hey, do me a favor, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel as we bring you more unboxing and photography things. You have a good day.